Most likely, your blog has a lot of posts without a featured image. But how can you quickly add relevant images to all the posts that are missing them? It's easy, and today I'll show you how to set up this kind of automation in just a couple of minutes, without any programming knowledge. Of course, first make sure that you have the Ivy plugin installed. With this workflow builder, you can literally automate anything in WordPress. Now that the plugin is installed, let's go into it and create our first workflow. Of course, we could create a new workflow, but let's use the template to generate a featured image and its alt text for any posts that are missing one. Let's click on the template. This will create a new scenario. Let's break down how it works. This scenario uses a manual trigger, so it's a one-time workflow. But we can also change it to on a schedule and run this workflow, let's say, once a week. In the next step, we need to search for all the posts. We're using the search posts loop block, and we'll make sure the post status is set to published. This means we'll only be working with published posts. Next, we'll add the branch logic block. Here we'll use a variable from the search posts block, and we'll make sure the post's featured image is unknown. So at this stage we're getting all the posts without images, all the published posts without images. Now for the most interesting part, the generation. This template uses OpenAI, but of course you can use any of the AI providers in the plugin. First, let's generate the image. I've prepared a small prompt here that uses the post title variable to generate a horizontal image for us, using the doll E3 model. Next, we'll generate the alt text for our image. I've also prepared a small prompt here that generates the alt text based on the post's title. And for the final step, we just need to add the image and alt text to the post. We'll add the update post featured image action. Here, we need to specify the post, so from the variables, we'll select the post ID. Here, we need to select the image, which we get from the OpenAI generate image block. There it is. And of course, we need to specify the alt text, which we'll take from the OpenAI generate text block. Our template is ready. Let's save it and give it a test. Now that everything is ready at this point, let's give our scenario a name for our reference. And save it. All that's left is to launch the workflow. Click the button. Let's check the logging. It was successfully launched, the trigger worked, 9 posts without images were found, and step-by-step images and alt text began to be generated. A couple of minutes have passed. Now let's check our posts. Were the images really generated and added to the posts? Yes, we can see that an image has appeared and all the fields are filled in. Let's check another post. Yes, everything is working. And as always, let us know in the comments which automations and integrations you'd like to see in iRule. And we'll definitely add them. See you.